Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 12th June 2024. The Income Tax Department has released the Excel utility for ITR5 for the assessment year 2024-25, streamlining the tax filing process for entities required to submit this form. The utility, now available on the official income tax e-filing portal, caters to firms, limited liability partnerships, association of persons, body of individuals, artificial judicial persons, cooperative societies, and local authorities. The RBI has notified amendment in paragraph 19E and paragraph 24(1) of Foreign Exchange Management Overseas Investment Directions 2022. As per the amendment norms, the definition of overseas portfolio investment will also include investments in any other instruments issued by an investment fund overseas. Earlier, investment was only limited to units. The IFSC authority has notified the IFSCA Bookkeeping, Accounting, Taxation and Financial Crime Compliance Services Regulations 2024. The regulations aim to establish a regulatory framework for developing, registering and operating bookkeeping, accounting, taxation and financial crime compliance services from international financial services centers. The norms provide for registration application, certificate grant procedure, fit and proper requirements, safeguarding conditions, service recipient, appointment of principal officer and compliance officer, minimum office space criteria, currency of operations, etc. In a bid to expedite the Corporate Insolvency Resolution Process or CIRP under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code or IBC, the government is willing to reduce the compliance burden on insolvency professionals or IPs. In a discussion paper floated on Monday, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India or IBBI has proposed to streamline and reduce the number of CIRP forms filed by IPs by merging, dropping and revamping certain forms. Currently, the timelines for filing various CIRP forms, 9 in total, are linked to different events such as the insolvency commencement date, public announcement, appointment of RP, etc. This leads to due dates for filing of forms falling on different dates for an IP handling multiple CIRP assignments, making the filing process cumbersome for the IP. Zomato will invest Rs 300 crore in its quick commerce subsidiary Blinkit. This will raise Zomato's total investment in Blinkit, acquired in 2022, for $569 million in an all-stock deal to Rs 2,300 crore. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.